PB Mirror here. So today I'm going to show you guys the basic steps of Shaku Shaku. So stay tuned. So guys, the first thing to do is to swipe your leg this way by the right, swipe by the left, swipe by the right. That's swipe, swipe. So swipe, swipe. As you're swiping your leg, just bounce while swiping your leg, like, and bounce and bounce. So this is the first thing, the first move to do. And then while you're bouncing and bouncing, then you can do so many things with your hand, like cross your hand and then roll it, like cross your hand, roll it. You can bring your hand back and then nod your head rather. So something like swipe and nod. And then you can also do it this way. And so that is it for the first step. So guys, that was the first step, move, anything, whatever. So the second step is to stand upright and then stand on your toe. When you stand on your toe, do is to move it forward, 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 forward. When I'm moving it forward, forward, just bring from your shoulder to from your shoulder up, like bring it forward and then go forward, 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 forward. You can nod your head to add spice with that. Forward, 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 forward. So while you're doing forward, forward, you can do so many things with your hands, like you can take it forward, cross it, roll it, drag it back, like cha cha cha. As you're dragging it back, you can keep nodding your head, and then like you can do so many things with your hands. So that's for the second move or step, whatever. The third dance step or dance move is kind of difficult because I apparently don't think I know how to dance it well. So maybe after this and you take it back. So when you get there, so what you will do is raise this leg up. While raising this leg up, push your waist forward, and then when you raise it back, push your weight backward, like backward. So let's see how it goes. So guys, the last step for today is like the squatting step. So something like you're dancing this way and then you want to squat and squat and. So if you actually can't do this, there's another way which will make it, which is more easier. So something like, so it depends on what you can do, but I prefer doing this. So that's it. It looks simple, right? So I'm going to take that again because it looks like it's a bit difficult. So what I did is, like, as I'm dancing my shaku shaku, so I'll roll my hands and then squat, 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 squat. So like I said before, if this is a bit difficult, so you can do this other one which is more simpler, like, so whichever one goes for you. So guys, that's all for today for the basic Shaku Shaku tutorial for beginners. I hope you guys love this video. Please give it a thumbs up and please subscribe to my channel. Thank you and see you in my next video.